like a biggest one. Hopefully I can get that circle. Oh, it looks not bad, huh? What you think? Is it big enough? This is so beautiful. It's a countdown nails. Looks super cool. Okay. I'm gonna fast key it first. And you can repeat it. Caitlin, hello, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. And in this one, you can do it's like a matte finish. You can do it as a matte finish, or you can leave it there. Or maybe I should do decoration on this one. I'm gonna put the gears on it. This will be cool. All right, fast here. Repeat it if you want your illuminating gels painting. It's so gorgeous, even like without reflective lights at all. It's already so beautiful. Okay, last here. And you know what? We can either get the gold gel painting, which is Golden Touch. Ah, thank you so much, Dom. This one is so beautiful. Maybe I should do the white, like a white number. White number.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Or is gold number? What you think? White stand out.
Do white.
Okay. Okay, let's do whites, and I'm gonna using the whites color from gel painting with the precision brush. I'm gonna write the number. So I'm gonna write it first. This is number 9. But how it's really sturdy. Yeah, I can draw. Is that number 9?
That's number 9.
Okay.
What?
Okay, now it's gonna try number 12. Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is number 6.
So now do 6.
Yeah, not bad.
Good.
I just draw the gear too. And I'm gonna flash clear this one, okay? So to remove the comment just on the top, right in the comment, you slide down, you can see all of just the designs only. For all of you just would like to put out all the comments. He's on Instagram, Facebook. Hi, Mika. Hey, Tracy. Hi, everyone's on Facebook. Thank you so much for tuning in. The clock is going to be so cool. That's absolutely. Look at what I've got from the golden gear. I found a couple. Maybe I should put the diamond rings there too. Looks super cute. But I found this too. It's gonna be perfect for the clock.
Looking good.
Okay, let's do some crystal placement, but using that one. All right. The clock is so simple, super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and using. Should I do it like shiny on all the nails? Condensed glue gels. This is what I am going to use right now. Condensed glue gels, no wet top coat, and precision glue gels. This will give you the best crystal placement without have to worry about is gonna coming off. So I'm gonna start with the first step, second step, and third step. Yeah. Just a good coat. Drink some water. And I think I'm going to put the matte top coat on. So if you are using a matte top coat, you want the matte finish. So we are going to using the matte top coat instead of shiny. So either way, it looks really cool though. Because a lot of you were asking for the matte finish. So if you are going to looking like a finish, the nails with the matte finish. So here you go. And with the illuminating gels, I just go back with the shiny top coat on it. So not good. Like that. Something right on this side. Cool. Cute little diamond ring right there. Cute.